Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satil here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix Google Chrome crashing all pages and extensions without uninstalling Chrome. The first step is go to the start menu and search for Chrome and right click and select open file location. Change the view for this and right click on your Google Chrome and select properties. In this new window, add this line in the target, go to the end, space dash no dash sandbox to enable the sandbox mode and click on apply. You can receive this message, access denied. You will need to provide administration permissions to change these settings. Click on continue and click on OK and close this window and go to the start menu and search for Chrome and hit enter or click, and this is version not sandbox, and this is all. Your problem has been fixed. You can search for any results, view videos, listen to music or any activity, and this is all. For example, I'll search for Taylor Swift and the browser worked successfully, and this is all. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.